Welcome back everybody, and if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I like to post all sorts of recipes weekly, so please consider subscribing and be sure to click that bell notification. Okay, today I'm going to make a very simple variation of Huevos Rancheros. Now, before I start, I wanted to mention there are basically two ways that I grew up having this style of eggs. The first way would be to make salsa, or we typically always had salsa in the fridge or on the table, and we would just pour it over our breakfast eggs. That is definitely delicious, and you can use whatever salsa you like, green or red or mixed. But this way that I'm going to show you today is something that I find very convenient and easy when I just don't have salsa on hand or I just don't want to make it. So I'm going to be serving bacon alongside of this. So I've already cooked my bacon and rendered bacon fat. So here in my pan, I am using 2 tablespoons of rendered bacon fat. You could use butter, you could use the oil of your choice. I'm going to go with some bacon fat because I have it. So I'm going to preheat this pan. And all I'm going to do is basically use chopped onion, chopped jalapeno, chopped tomato, and minced garlic, salt to taste. And this is a very simple and delicious chunky style salsa that I like to put on my eggs. So right into the pan. And this is going to take some time. You don't want to burn anything. You do want to saute and cook the vegetables until they soften, break down, and the onions turn translucent. So this may take probably 10 to 15 minutes. And you definitely don't want to work with a high heat. I'm actually working with a medium to medium low. So while this continues to cook, I just want to mention I'm actually using 2 small Roma tomatoes, 2 jalapeños. You can definitely substitute that with serrano peppers. Those are a lot spicier, and you could leave the seeds in for extra spice, but I'm shooting for a medium to mild heat. And the onion, I used half of a small onion. Now the ratios of this, if you're feeding more people, then double it, triple it. It's very forgiving and it's definitely up to your preference. Okay, so now I am adding 1 clove of minced garlic. Again, you can definitely double that if you want more. I will be putting the ingredients and measurements I used in today's recipe video, but I've got to be honest with you, most days I really don't measure this, and it just depends if we want something spicier or if it's just one person eating it. So if you are cooking for more people, feel free to double or triple this recipe, and the ratios of ingredients are definitely up to you, and it's very forgiving. Okay, so at this point, this is around 10 minutes of cook time on a medium heat, and this is done. As you can see, the tomatoes have broken down, the onions are translucent, and the jalapeno has softened. So this is exactly where I want it to be. So be sure to taste it. For salt, I definitely just use maybe a 1/4 teaspoon of salt in this, and this is ready. So now I'm going to make some refried beans. I'm also going to be using some store-bought tortillas today. You can definitely do homemade just like I did here. I will leave the links to all of my homemade recipes for tortillas in the description below. Okay, so now I'm going to start making my refried beans, and it's another simple, easy recipe. I have a more detailed recipe I'll link below, but basically I've taken more of that rendered bacon grease. I'm going to add around 2 cups of cooked CHARRO beans. I will leave my CHARRO beans recipe in the description below as well. These are seasoned very well, so I'm not going to add any seasoning to them, maybe some cracked black pepper, but as far as the salt and flavor, it's there. Now, if you are using canned beans, definitely feel free to add the spices and seasonings of your choice to add more flavor, but these are already pre-seasoned and cooked. Okay, so I'm basically mashing them, and I'm going to let them fry in that bacon grease a little bit to get a little crispy edges, or if you want them smooth and creamy like I do, then definitely cook them that way as well. Now that my beans are done, it's basically time to get this breakfast together. I'm going to make my eggs over well, the way my husband likes them. You definitely can make your eggs over medium, sunny side up, over easy. The choice is yours. So I'm going to speed things up a bit to show you the end result. Okay, so my eggs are done exactly the way we like them. So now I'm just going to top them with that delicious pan salsa that I made, and it's breakfast time. And this is literally something I probably could eat daily. I haven't had this in quite some time, but I'm definitely having some eggs with this salsa on top and maybe a slice of bacon. But I certainly hope you enjoyed the video, and definitely I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.